Hi there again. Time to take on the third and final challenge of this mini program. It's about directing your attention and actively choose where to direct that attention and at which level to direct your attention. As mentioned in my poem, you can choose actively, wisely, what waves to paint, to view the infinite ocean, the context, the surrounding, the situation, the system, or to view the single wave. You can choose wisely to view the act of a single person, to salute or condemn that act. You can also choose to view the larger system leading to that act. My challenge for you is to do just that. Instead of saluting or condemning a single act of somebody, choose to zoom out. Choose to see the context, to see the situation, to see the unified field leading up to that act. In my experience, we don't serve people by making them heroes. Neither do we serve people by making them villains. Neither heroes nor villains will build the future we want together. So take this invitation and challenge. Install in your mind a zoom lens where you actively choose to zoom in and zoom out. Zoom in and zoom out. See the action, see the context, and see both actions and context with love and empathy. This may be the hardest of the 3 challenges you've gotten in this mini course. For me, it's a constant practice. But I invite you to start it today. Thank you for staying with me for these 3 parts of the program. I'll see you next time. Take care.